Hey guys, right now I found a monkey in the street. He's alone, I think. He's straight from his group, so I'm gonna give him some food. Let's see if he's smart enough to accept it or not. Ajala. Da. Don't be afraid. La. I'm gonna slowly approach him and give him food. La. That's food, yaar. That right there is food. La. So I think he's just terrified of people. Monkey, hey. Monkey, don't run away, yaar. Have some Mimi food. Have some food. I'm gonna give this to you. I think he's kind of, threatening me. He's showing his teeth and all. I'm just trying to give you some food. Oh, please accept the food I'm giving you. Okay, I'll keep it here, okay? You have it on your own time. Okay, bye-bye. Let's see if it takes the food or not. Let us see. It's a macaque, Himalayan macaque. Let me show you a little bit closer. I'm gonna... Please don't bunk. Please don't run away, okay? Up close. Hi. La. La. Eh. Have some food here. I'm not gonna hurt you. Hey macaque. Take the food from my hand. Here you go. Okay, he's just terrified. I'm gonna tease him, okay? Boo! 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 La! I'm not afraid of you, yeah. I'm trying to do a good thing for you. But you are one mischievous monkey, you know. Hey. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, bye bye. I hope he takes the food. I left it over here. So bye bye, macaque.